Okay, so you're going to want a grout, or not grout. You're going to want a caulking removal tool.
To remove the caulking around the base of your toilet. You're going to want to ratchet with the correct sockets to unscrew your toilet from the base there, and also underside of your tank from your toilet,
If you have a tank that's part of the toilet. Then you're going to want a sponge or an old towel. The sponge works great. I didn't happen to have one. Gonna have to use an old towel. Fortunately, my bathtub is right here. My toilet right here. So these are the tools that you're gonna need to take down the toilet and get it ready for your new toilet. Also, real quick, when you get a toilet, before you get a toilet, actually, even make sure you measure that so you have room for the toilet. From the screw here to the back wall of the toilet that I bought it needs to be 12 inches, and it's that exactly. And I made sure I went on their website and said it's not 12 inches to the baseboard, it's 12 inches to the wall. So from this screw to the back wall, you need a clearance of 12 inches, and that's exactly what that is. And then you also need to measure from the end here to your back wall to see if you have enough space there also. So just measure, maybe go online, check out what you need to measure exactly. You definitely want to measure from your bolt to the back wall, and then from here to the back wall, so you kind of get a general idea, especially if your current toilet, its tank is right up against the wall. Just make sure you got enough space so when you go and buy a toilet, you don't have to buy one, bring it home, open the box, just take it all out, take your other toilet out, and then you put it in there and it doesn't fit. That'd be pretty frustrating. So make sure you measure first, and then when you go to the store, you'll have a general idea. I think the bolt to the back wall is the most important, because there's like a 10-inch margin, there's like a 12-inch, there's like a 14-inch, depending on what model you get. So it may even be greater than that. So make sure you do that before you even go into any of this, before you go get your new toilet or anything like that. Okay, so yeah, one other thing, tool you needed, I forgot, is you're gonna need a tool, the correct wrench to unscrew your water supply. So I'm gonna grab that real quick, and we'll be right back.